Magandang buhay, sir. Ayan, dito sila ngayon manunood ng ating palaro dito sa Office of the President. Sir, magandang buhay, sir. Ano masasabi mo, sir? Okay lang. Ayan, sir. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
I love Malacanang.
I love Malacanang. Sige, sir. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. News ng ano yan? Anong team, ma'am? Okay. Magandang buhay, ma'am. Magandang buhay sa inyo, mga ma'am. Ang gaganda, walang kupas sa kagandahan. Anong team nyo? Shout out nyo na para manalo at mag-champion. Sir, ito mga player ang magagaling. Bago yata sa paningin. Bago yata sa paningin.
Balakpak.
Oy, balakpak. Shout out na, sir. Okay.
Sa Aguado.
Aguado.
Good. 19 to 94, they bring the ball. Passing number 11 for 3. Not good, they go by number 19, passing number 9. 94 for 3. They bring the ball. Yeah, tuloy. We learn that big we have 2 points. Issue number 9. Okay, good. 11, number 83. Issue 94, Steve. Issue number 11. Is good. 3. Richard, give me the ball. That's the number 24. Take. That's the number 1. Good by number 1. Oh yes, this is one of my bowlers. Second game. 93, 94. Steve, number 24 for 3. 1 for 3. 28, one shot. Good, you by number 9. After 18 to 11. All along. Shot, good. NBA officers. Number 30 for 3. White shirt. Miss pass. 2 points. Jump. It's good. 2 points.
Apat kayo.
Sakto lang kami, 5.
Kasama po ng mga team. Major na po nasa
Hello, champion.
Dito. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Sige po. 1.
English din sila. Okay, next po, Team Catalan. Meron silang gusto. Tayo. Malacanang Monopolis! Woo! Tayo, yun, linis tayo. Pareho yung lalaki. Next po, Engineering RTS. Yun. And last po, Team Office of the Executive Secretary, OES. Ayun, grabe mo eh, grabe. Nakakatakot, ang dami nyo sir. Mukhang maraming din silang lakad tuloy. Offices in the spirit of basketball and camaraderie. And now we'll be your MC for today, Regimar Casiva. And I'm Gerald Ian Benitez. We're both from the Malacanang Waterproof office. We'll be your MCs for tonight's event.
To begin our program with faith and gratitude, we invite everyone to stand for our opening prayer to be led by Mr. Gerald Ian Benitez.
At muli, pinipon niyo po ang kampupunan para po sa aming gagawing liga dito po sa Malacanang. Kayo po sanang lumabay sa bawat sa amin. Ingatan po kami sa aming gagawing mga paglalaro. Gayon din naman po, naway ito po yung makabuo ng magandang samahan sa lahat ng mga opisina dito po sa Malacanang. Gayon din, lahat po ng ito inihin namin sa pangalan po ng ating Panginoon Kristo na siyang ipagligtas sa amin. Please remain lang po sa ating basis for the singing of our national anthem.
Lahat ba ng teams merong news? Ay, wala pa na. So, para sa ating first program, it's time to add beauty and grace to the court. Here comes the Muse Mini Competition. So mga players, kung pwede po magiging muna tayo yung mga Muse na pagkulay na dito ngayon sa court.
Okay, so pwede po tayo magkulay ng music para sa
sportsmanship and camaraderie is truly commendable. To all the players participating this season, we wish you the best of luck. May your games be filled with intense competition, teamwork, and most importantly, fun. Let's make this season memorable as we not only strive for victory, but also build lasting friendship on and off the court.
Binuo natin yun dahil ito yung gusto natin, sports, ito yung nalagiging natin na
Shoutout kayo.
kaya tayo, minsan mag-schedule para makapaguluhan. So, hindi rin kami iniwan talaga. Si Ma'am Rochelle Casibit po, palakpakan. And then, sa babo, sa lahat po ng officers, si Ala Capon, Aaron Sarmiento, Reggie Casiva.
We are applying FIBA rules and about faking a foul. So, meron po tayong warning sa faking a foul. And then the next time na gagawin po natin ang faking a foul, meron po tayong technical foul. Sa kabiling po, bawal po ang safe foot. Pag nag-jump po tayo ng left, ang kasunod po niya is either foot o left and right. Hindi po pwede yung left and right at saka right. So kung may clarification na po tayo sa referee, just with a courteous manner na po, and then po ma-approach naman po kami. So regarding sa rules, pwede na po kayo matanong sa amin during the ball or may question po kami sa tawag. So about po sa foul, not all foul and not all contact is foul. Meron po tayong tinatawag na legal guarding position. So sa referee po, nabibase po sa depensa. Kung si depensa po is nasa legal guarding position, and then tumama po si scoring player, and then nasa legal guarding position po si player. So kung wala pong tawag si referee, it means na nasa legal guarding position po. And then part po sa 3 seconds, yung 3 seconds po play ang game. So, si referee magsisenyas po ng kagaya ng ginagawa ko for warning boundary. Once po nga nag-delay po kayo ng game, lumapit po kayo sa player o pumunta kayo doon sa pwesto na nag-inbound, it will automatically direct technical foul for delaying the game. And then sa persa po natin,
Sila. 19 to 94, they bring the ball. That's number 11 for 3. Not good, they go by number 19, that's number 9. 94 for 3. They bring the ball. They go. We learn that big they are 2 points. This is number 9. Dave, good. Number 11, number 18, that's the 94, Steve. That's the number 11. Asia is good. 3. White shirt, number 21. That's the number 24. Pick. That's the number 1. Good by number 1. Oh yes, versus mga bowlers. Sa game ko. 94. Steve. Number 24 for 3. 3. 1 for 3. 3. 28. 1 shot. Good. Lima pa yung 9. After 18 to 11. All along. Shot. Good. NBA officers. Number 30 for 3. White shirt. Miss pass. 2 points. 80.